Hi Nikhil, good morning and welcome on YourPedia.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
So Nikhil, you are a civil engineer presently doing your masters in BITS Pilani, very prestigious institute, and you are in structural engineering, which I believe civil engineers prefer the most. So Nikhil, I would like to interact with you. The purpose is the students who will be listening to us, they get a lot of information through such interactions, and that helps further, them to develop some kind of strategies for them and take the right decision for their career. सो मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ निखिल आपकी बैकग्राउंड से। आप ये बताएं कि आपने ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से किया है, विच कॉलेज, एंड what was your CGPA there, and what was your gate score, and even if it was not gate score, then how did you land up in BITS Pilani? Because what we know is there is a BITS Pilani का अपना अलग से एग्जाम होता है and gate के थ्रू भी होता है, तो that particular detail you provide us.
Yes, sir. So I've completed my graduation in like 2022 from Raisoni College of Institute and Management from Pune itself. So later on, I started preparing from for GATE for the year 2023. Cracked GATE with a score of 4 or 403, and got structures in the first round itself at BITS Pilani.
Okay, good. So Nikhil, BITS Pilani is one of the institutes, उनका अपना एग्जाम भी होता है, which I think they call HD.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why a person should write HD, and is it required even if you have gate score you should write HD? Does it help in getting some scholarship?
No, it if you are, if I mean if you are not confident enough that you won't be getting selected through your GATE score, then you can appear for the HD exam. But there's nothing difference in the scholarship as well. If you gave GATE, you'll be available for the two types of scholarship. One is that is for GATE students, and the other is provided by the BITS as the BITS Institute. And if you go through BITS HD, you avail only one scholarship, that is via BITS.
As of now, you are getting two scholarships or only one.
Yes, no, the two scholarships.
So that means gate वाला भी और जो bits वाला है दोनों
Bits
में
are. Yes, yes.
कितना होता है निखिल? What is the scholarship like in
Um,
bits planning?
like if you corresponding to GATE, you get for every month 12,400, and the bits it is something not you get monthly. If you'll get a lump sum amount in your bank account after your completion of the semester, it is around 13,400 something. Yes, per month.
Semester wise, huh? Semester
Yep,
wise. Hmm.
semester wise, semester wise.
Okay, Nikhil, now coming to your gate score of 403.
Yes.
So, did you try through COAP rounds also and CCMT also?
Yeah, I did
Right,
appear for the
this.
CCMT.
Okay.
I did appear for the COAP. Yes.
Mm. So can you tell us something about the COAP rounds? What did you get through those rounds?
Uh, so I got an interview call for IIT BHU.
Mm.
I did went there for the interview, but there were no further uh, like any mails regarding the admission from BHU. Even
Mm-hmm.
got calls from IIT Mandi as well,
Mm-hmm.
but could not appear for the interview due to some personal reasons. And then I even no, this were the only two IITs which I got calls from. Yes.
आपका गेट स्कोर कितना, इसका सीजीपीए कितना था ग्रेजुएशन में निखिल?
7.75.
हम्म। मैंने पिछली बार सुना है कि दैट देयर वाज अ स्पॉट राउंड्स आल्सो इन आईआईटीज, लॉट ऑफ आईआईटीज लास्ट ईयर स्पॉट राउंड्स. सो डिड यू वेट फॉर एनी स्पॉट राउंड्स और नो?
No, so once I got the admission at BITS, I was more than confident that I should confirm my admission over there because of the low gate score. I was not confident enough to take the risk.
Okay. So if coming to this particular बिट्स प्लानिंग, कैन यू टेल मी इनका कब निकलता है, इनका एचडी एग्जाम कब होता है, और स्टूडेंट्स कब तक इनको मिल जाता है कंफर्मेशन अबाउट द सिलेक्शन एंड ऑल?
Uh, I don't quite remember the dates, but I joined the institute on 8th of August. The
ओके.
latest I remember, 8th of August was the joining date given for us,
और कंफर्मेशन कब
and
होता है कि आपको मिल गया है बिट्स प्लानिंग?
a month before, sir. A month before, yes. A
तो
month or month and a half before, four
आपके
to four
साथ ऐसे
five.
आपके साथ ऐसे बहुत से बच्चे होंगे जो जिन्होंने गेट नहीं लिखा होगा लेकिन एचडी करके आए होंगे.
Yes, yes, sir.
सो दे राइट द एचडी एग्जाम. एनी आइडिया व्हेन एचडी एग्जाम होता कब है?
After they declare the results of the first round is totally for the GATE students. When no, I don't see that. Huh. I guess in May itself. So yes,
में हो
mostly
जाता है?
May में ही हो जाता है. And then after that, they just give the results, the
अच्छा,
spot rounds. Yes,
बिट्स के 3 कैंपस हैं, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, हैदराबाद, गोवा एंड पिलानी।
yes, sir.
तो तीनों कैंपसेस के बारे में कुछ बताइए आप हमें, निखिल।
Regarding our branch, sir, the
रिगार्डिंग योर
structure is
ब्रांच,
available. Regarding our branch, there are only two campuses providing structural engineering, the Hyderabad and the Pilani campus.
yeah।
So that is why. So the preference is quite obvious. That first is the Pilani and the other is Hyderabad.
एंड देन गोवा।
Goa, so we don't have any civil engineering courses in Goa, I guess,
ओके।
for the masters. Yeah.
अदर देन स्ट्रक्चर्स, व्हाट कोर्सेज यू हैव इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग इन बिट्स?
As of Pilani, as of I know, we have structures, transportation, infrastructures, environment. This year they have started infrastructure as well. No, infrastructure they have old branch. Environment they have started this year.
Okay.
Yes,
That's
sir.
a new thing. Okay. Now,
Yes.
Nikhil, coming to बिट्स itself, बिट्स में अपॉर्चुनिटीज इनसाइड दैट। अच्छा, मैंने ये सुना है कि बिट्स में स्टूडेंट्स का एक वो कंसर्न होता है कि बिट्स में फीस ज्यादा लगता है। आप हमें कुछ फीस के बारे में बता सकते हैं, कितना फीस लगता है अगर स्टूडेंट प्लान कर रहा है बिट्स प्लानिंग में जाने का?
So the whole amount or the semester wise?
यू कैन टेल अस बोथ, या।
If I go semester wise, it is around 2.45 semester fees,
ओके।
2.45 lakhs,
ओके, दैट
excluding
इंक्लूड स्टेइंग
hostels
आल्सो
and
इन द हॉस्टल?
no, no, so excluding the living expenses.
ओके।
They roughly go around 40,000 per semester, the living and food expenses.
ओके।
And yes, the same continues for 1 year, and the next year semester fee hikes up around 5% every year.
सो टोटल एमटेक कितने में पड़ता होगा, जो टोटल फीस एंड मेस एंड
Uh,
एवरीथिंग? टोटल एमटेक
excluding the scholarships, we should complete our post graduation around 12 LPA max.
12 एल।
Yes,
12 एल एल, दैट इज लैक।
yes, 12
एंड
lakh. Yes, yes, 12.
स्कॉलरशिप कितना मिल जाता है उसमें?
Hello. Yes,
अगर स्कॉलरशिप में उसमें, अब स्कॉलरशिप की बात करूं, तो स्कॉलरशिप हमारा 12,400 तो है ही, वो
yes, sir.
मंथली है, तो मान के चलो कि उसमें 3 1 लाख से माइनस कर दो तो 9 लाख में हमें पड़ेगा सारा।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके। एंड नाउ कमिंग टू अगेन द एकेडमिक एंड करिकुलर पार्ट, निखिल, मैंने सुना है कि बिट्स का जो इंटर्नशिप लगवाने का जो तरीका है थोड़ा सा अलग है, प्रोजेक्ट लगवाने का तरीका अलग है बाकी एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट से। हाउ बिट्स इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट्स एज फार एज दिस थिंग इज कंसर्न?
Regarding the internships, sir,
हाँ।
currently I've just completed my first semester, so I don't
ओके।
have the clear idea of it.
ओके।
But yeah, they do provide the internships. That is for the fourth semester. They call it a practice school.
प्रैक्टिस स्कूल या।
Yeah, and so I'll have to see. So
ओके।
my project work is like scheduled on in the second semester. So
कुड यू
I'll have
इंटरेक्ट
to check it.
विद योर सीनियर्स आल्सो इन द कैंपस?
Yes, I did interact, but once you go through it, so you will be able to more like
यस।
clarify the things. Yes.
And Nikhil, what about different campuses? Mein civil engineers are talking about, opportunities in core and non-core domain. So how do you see that? I mean, BITS Pilani mein as civil engineer, as a structural engineer, what opportunities do you see for yourself? Core, non-core, how do you see this all?
We can still avail both the things. Like if you still want to continue core, you are then there are companies visiting the campuses. If you want to continue core, and as well for the if you want to just change your side to non-core, that is also available. But yeah, just you have to do like that is up to you. What you do in your 2 years, that is up
Hmm.
to you. Yeah.
Hmm. And now coming to ROI, return on investment, Nikhil, as you said that 12 lakh you invest on your masters, though 3 lakh comes back in the form of scholarship. But when we go for a job, typically what we see is like जितना आपने पैसा स्पेंड किया है अपने मास्टर्स पे, लेट्स से आपने 12 लाख स्पेंड किया है, अगर आपको 8 से 10 लाख का जॉब लग रहा है तो आरओआई इज वेरी गुड। आई
Yeah.
वुड लाइक टू नो द आरओआई ऑफ बिट्स प्लानिंग।
So I guess that is only the ROI 8 to 10 LPA mostly.
ओके, मिल जाता है जॉब इतने का कोर में?
Average, yes.
हम्म।
Average goes around 6.5, I guess.
ओके। ओके।
We can expect around 6.5, yes.
हाँ, ये मिल जाए, और कोर की बात कर रहे हैं हम।
Core, yes, sir, core. Totally core.
और प्लेसमेंट होता कैसे है, मतलब बच्चों को पहले राउंड में मिल जाता है या वेट करना पड़ता है, कैसे होता है प्लेसमेंट? मैंने सुना तीनों कैंपसेस का कंबाइंड प्लेसमेंट होता है, एनी आइडिया अबाउट दैट?
Sorry, sir, I don't have any idea regarding it.
No, I will ask you about the infrastructure, hostel facilities and all. Will all the
Okay.
student get the hostel facility, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
सबको मिल जाता है hostel?
Every student will get
और
the
hostel
hostel.
सिंगल ऑक्यूपेंसी है या डबल
Uh,
ऑक्यूपेंसी है?
for us, sir, in the first semester we got the studio apartments, like a flat. We can say like a two bedroom and a kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
So in which we stay around four students, and later on in the second year you will get single occupancy room.
Okay, so that is good. I mean, accommodation is good. And mess
Yes.
facility वगैरह?
मैं सेम ही रहेगा सर, मतलब मैं सबके लिए एक ही है,
Hmm.
मतलब फॉर द मास्टर्स दे हैव their separate mess.
And what about life inside the campus?
If you talk about the place, like it is of course a small town, Pilani.
No,
You
within the
don't have
campus, not
hostels.
outside the campus. Within the campus life कैसी है?
So
Within
within the campus,
academics.
it is quite good. It is quite happening as well. We have events. I mean, so you don't feel like you have come to a town, so you don't feel anything like that.
Hmm. Okay, and which part of India you are from,
I'm
Nikhil?
from Maharashtra, sir.
So Maharashtra going to BITS Palani is comfortable.
Yes, sir. I mean, it takes a day for me to reach a day and a half. But yeah, sir, they have things and we can do for it.
Chalo, wonderful. Anything else you want to tell the students who are listening to you, Nikhil?
Nothing, sir. Just to focus on your studies and let life decide your score, decide whatever you can achieve. Yes,
ओके वंडरफुल. अच्छा निखिल, जब आपसे ये हम वीडियोस वगैरह बच्चे देखते हैं ना, तो फील लाइक टॉकिंग टू यू सम टाइम बिकॉज यू आर इन बिट्स प्लानिंग, यू आर सिविल इंजीनियर. सो डू आई
yes, sir.
टेक द लग्जरी टू गेट देम कनेक्टेड टू यू, दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बिट्स प्लानिंग नेक्स्ट ईयर?
Yes, sir. No problem. No problem.
चलो वंडरफुल निखिल. एंड लेट मी थैंक यू वंस अगेन. आपने सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत ही कंसाइज एंड प्रिसाइज वे में बताया है. आई एम श्योर बच्चों को ये हेल्प करेगा. और जो स्टूडेंट्स आपसे फर्दर इन्फॉर्मेशन लेना चाहें, जो आपके जूनियर्स बनना चाहें अगले साल, हम उनको आपसे
Yes, sir.
कनेक्ट करेंगे सो दैट दे गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. राइट
Yes, sir.
निखिल?
No problem.
थैंक यू.
Yes, sir.